The World Health Organization, or WHO, has called for countries which are starting to lift their COVID-19 measures to do so gradually, as recent data has indicated a sharp increase in coronavirus-related deaths globally. And during a press briefing, the WHO warned that the pandemic is far from over. This is due to the fact that the Omicron variant is spreading globally on a large scale, which might lead to the emergence of new mutant strains. As a result, the organization argued that it is too early to ease restrictions.
Since Omicron was first identified just 10 weeks ago, almost 90 million cases have been reported to WHO, more than were reported in the whole of 2020. We're now starting to see a very worrying increase in deaths in most regions of the world.
The WHO Director General reiterated his concern over the narrative taking hold in some countries that because of the vaccines and because of Omicron's high transmissibility and lower severity, preventing transmission is no longer possible and no longer necessary.
It's premature for any country either to surrender or to declare victory. This virus is dangerous, and it continues to evolve before our very eyes. WHO is currently tracking 4 sublineages of the Omicron variant of concern, including BA.2.
According to the technical lead of the WHO's Health Emergencies Program, more than 22 million cases have been found in the past 7 days, most of which were the Omicron variant.
We are urging caution because many countries have not gone through the peak of Omicron yet. Many countries have low levels of vaccination coverage with very vulnerable individuals within their populations. And so now is not the time to lift everything all at once. We have always urged caution in applying interventions as well as lifting those interventions in a steady and in a slow way, piece by piece.
Nonetheless, Denmark has become the first country in the European Union to lift all their COVID-19 restrictions despite a record number of cases. They now rely on the high vaccination rate of their citizens to cope with the Omicron variant. As an added information, according to the World Health Organization, 73% of Europeans have been infected with COVID-19 at least once since January 2020.